Hello, now is the second part. We will do the control testing of this integrated controller. And first, let's see this Y diagram of the integrated controller. Two battery input and distribute to several high voltage equipment, and also to the DC and DC-AC, another DC-AC. And in this wiring diagram, we also can see two pre-charge circle. Pre-charge circle 1 for the MCU1 and the pre-charge circle 2 for MCU2. And we have the output the communication port to control this integrated controller. All the signals, all the relays can control by the hardware. Now we will test by the hardware. We can see in our table, this is the low voltage power supply, and this is the simulated battery, the high voltage battery. Now we set the voltage to 603 volt, and we have two switch panel. This panel for the let me check. This panel is for the positive control, and this panel for the negative control. And we will test the relay one by one. Okay, the first one, first relay we will test is the MCU relay, MCU1 relay, and MCU1 relay. And this we can see, this is the MCU1 relay, MCU1 output, MCU1 positive and MCU1 negative. And the relay number is number 4. So we turn on the number 4, and we use a meter to check if the MCU output the voltage. Okay, MCU1. Okay, MCU1 output 6.7. And now I turn off MCU1. Okay, we can see the voltage is off, and I turn on the MCU1. The voltage is on. Now I turn off. The second relay we will test is the pre-charge number 7, pre-charge 1. Okay, pre-charge 1 is K1. So I turn on K1. When I turn on K1, we can see the meter shows the battery voltage. When I turn off K1, the voltage will be off. Okay, and the second one we will test is the MCU2. MCU2 is number 5. MCU2 output. This is the MCU2. MCU2 output, and I turn on number 5. We can see on the meter MCU2. Now the voltage is on. I turn off MCU2. Okay, it's off. Okay, the second one we will test is the pre-charge 2. Pre-charge 2 is K2. So I turn on K2. We can see on the meter the voltage is on, and I turn off K2. The voltage is off. The second one we will test is the fast charge number 10. Fast charge relay. Okay. Okay, this is the fast charge, fast DC charge positive and DC charge negative. I put the meter here for better reading, and I put on the meter. Number 快重试 number 6 first help turn on number 6 第6号对往上打 okay we can see number 6 now is on so the voltage is on and turn off number 6 okay it's off Okay, the next one we will test is DC-AC relay. Number 11. So DC-AC relay is K3. I turn on K3. This is K3. And this is the meter we will test the DC-DC. Okay, the DC-DC will test by the hardware. DC-DC enable number 7, 28, number 7. I turn on number 7. Okay, we can see now the DC-DC is outputting the voltage 27.6. Now I turn off the enable control. The DC-DC voltage will be off. Okay, and then we will test the DC-AC. DC-AC is K4. DC-AC relay K4 is on. Okay, K4 is on, and we check the DC-AC air pump. Enable is 29, is number 8. So I turn on number 8. We can see we use the light pumps, the lights to simulate the air pump motor. It's on, so I turn off number 8. So I turn off the DC-AC air pump. And the second one we will do a testing is the oil pump. Oil pump is number 9. This is the oil pump. Oil pump simulate oil pump. I turn on the oil pump. Okay, now we can see the oil pump is on. I turn off oil pump. Okay, the next one we'll test the SVAC1 K5. SVAC1. This is SVAC1. SVAC1. I turn on K5. K5. Okay. We can see the voltage is on. Okay, I turn off K5. Is off. Turn on. K5 is on. Okay. So the next one we test is SVAC2. This one is SVAC2. SVAC2 is K6. Turn on the K6. Voltage is on. K6 off. The voltage is off, so it's okay. So the next one we will test the SVB. SVB, here is SVB. SVB. SVB is K. SVB is K8. Turn on the K8. Sorry, SVB K7. SVB K7 voltage is on and K7 off. Okay. So the last one is a very long video. The last one we have is BTMS. No idea. This is the last connector we will do the test. BTMS. BTMS is K8. Doris, K8. K8 打开。K8. 8. Okay, it's on. I turn off K8. It's off. So all the hardware testing, hardware control testing already completed. Everything is okay. Thank you for watching.